Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of Sony WH-1000XM4 by Akarsh Seggemu. So here's the noise cancelling headphones from Sony. Let's see. So remove this cover. Yeah, this is true. Sony is the industry leading noise cancelling headphones manufacturer. So the specs of it is noise cancelling, it's wireless, powered by Bluetooth, 30 hours of battery life, and it's for high resolution audio. It has 360 reality audio, supports Google Assistant and Alexa built-in. So I purchased this via Amazon Germany. Let's in this box. Wow. Here you can find out the QR code to download the app and how to power the headphones. And inside it we have the wireless headphones. And what else do we have? So we have the 360 reality audio music free trial access code. Let's check it out later. Next we have the reference guide. Okay. Yes. Okay, yeah. So this is in many different languages because Sony is an international company. And here is the document of purchase. So let's what else do we have? The 3.5mm headphone jack and USB to USB-C to charge it. Okay, what else? And travel adapter for in airlines. When you're in flight, you can use it. Nice. Cool. That's all from the unboxing. I will try it out the headphones now. Thank you for watching.